shot.
It's hot dog down the hallway type scenario.
No, I don't have. I forgot my French press. My coffee's in my French press.
Jesus Murphy, Brian, you forgot the whole kit.
A double whammy, yeah.
What's happening, YouTube? Hey! I'm gonna show you how I make coffee in front of a guy that forgot his coffee. Aeropress. That's what I use. What are you using, Brian? French press?
I normally use a French press, yeah.
I have enough coffee.
Huh?
I have enough coffee.
No, I don't have. I forgot my French press. My coffee's in my French press.
Jesus Murphy, Brian, you forgot the whole kit.
A double whammy, yeah.
These are typically, I charge $5 a cup, which I feel is a bargain for the amount of work involved. So these things they use a paper filter, and you screw the bottom on here, and conveniently located in the base, we have a scoop that just so holds 15 grams, because I've weighed it many times. So I know that a level scoop weighs 15 grams. We're gonna have to do this 4 times, maybe 3. 2 for me for sure. Brian will get maybe a 9-ounce cup, maybe he'll get an 18-ounce cup, I don't know, but he's probably gonna get at least 9 ounces. But I'm getting full 18 because, well, I'm a dick. Well, I know we got plenty of coffee, but this is just too much fun to bust balls. It's not. That part's not scientific. All right. Got our cup. Got a rainbow cup. I don't know how I feel about this cup. It seemed good on paper when I bought it. It's flexible, but it seems to attract static. I don't know. Watch the pot never boils. I've told you in other videos how wonderful Ziploc baggies are for your little camp trash. They're great. Base. Got the wonderful little stir stick. All we do, take this plunger, put it in there. It's got a little space of air in between the grounds and the plunger. Pushes them through the filter. Makes a wonderfully smooth cup of coffee. What we're gonna have to do is pour. It's just easier this way.
Thank you.
Because the
Shot.
it's hot dog down the hallway type scenario. Here, we'll just go ahead and.
Is that a plastic cup?
It says silicone. But see, really
Nice.
staticky.
Thanks for the coffee, man.
Well, yeah.
Is it the official Aeropress stir?
That is the official Aeropress stir stick. Folding stirrer. Oh, missed. Pretty sure that's about the right amount.
Doesn't have to sit?
No.
Brian. Because now I have to drink out of a hot cup.
You know, they make hot lips for those cups.
Do they?
Yeah.
I don't care.
They're a little silicone deal that goes on there.
You know what they also make? A French press that turns into a mug that I left on the counter in my kitchen.
Why didn't you call the counterpart up and have her drive it on up? Special speedy delivery. Let's see how this lid works. I don't know. It looked really cool in the store, and I was like, oh, I need a cool cup. I don't love it. I bought it because it was a funky rainbow orange color. Right. Once again, orange Kool-Aid over there. I don't know what I think I just like orange. It's got a taste to it.
Does it?
Yeah.
Did you wash it?
Yeah. It just has a taste.
Did you bring another cup?
Nah.
Oh man. It's all right.
It's all. It ain't bad. It's just not as good as it could be. So here's another thing. Cup's starting to get quite hot.
Is it?
Yeah. I don't know if you're supposed to put hot stuff in it.
Is it melting?
No, it's not gonna melt. It's silicone, but it's got a taste.
Well, cheers. Thank you.
Cheers. There's more where that came from. I forgot paper towels. I usually have a few paper towels in there to wipe that thing down. What's that coffee? The ultra pretentious that passes through Civet Cats? Would you try that? Civet Cat coffee?
No.
You wouldn't try it?
Well, it's roasted, so all the bacteria and stuff's killed, so yeah, sure.
I guess it is roasted, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if it's roasted, what is it? It does something. The enzymes in that.
Probably change the pH of it.
But they eat the beans, but obviously they're not crushing the beans. So
yeah.
What are they doing? Just swallowing beans?
The same thing when you just eat corn.
Yeah, but you're not getting a solid kernel coming back out. You're getting.
Sometimes you do.
You've chewed it up.
You don't chew every single corn kernel. Turtle.
So are we sorting through the?
Let's look for the good ones, guys.
Find the whole beans. Find the whole beans, not the crushed beans. Whole beans. I don't understand how it works.
Maybe that's what we should do. Find that coffee. Remember when in the early 2000s when Jamaica Blue Mountain was all the rage? Coffee. Was it Jamaica Blue Mountain?
I don't.
Yeah, basically it's this coffee, and I think it's in Jamaica. That's what I think it's Jamaica, but it's only grown on a south-facing side of a mountain, right? And it's like very expensive at the time, so it's kind of like Kona, like 100% Kona coffee is very expensive, but that's why you normally see it as a blend. But it's only done like this side of the mountain, and it's at an angle, so it has to be all hand picked. It can't be done with any machinery.
Wow.
Yeah, I think if I remember correctly, it's been 20 years.
So why don't we have it now?
Well, I don't know if it's popular anymore, but yeah, it was like $70 a pound back in 2001.
Guys, let's make Jamaica coffee popular again. I want that. I wish there was trash cans.
Take your trash with you.
Oh, I am. That's why the Moscow beaver tail on the side works quite well.
The beeve.
And that's what's in my sack. I make sure all my...
A lot of sacks for coffee.
Well, that's my whole cooking kit.
Oh.
Well, I guess it's time to break down camp.
Yeah.
Is it? I don't know. I've always wondered. 56. Do the deal.